Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I am very excited to do this unboxing because I miss doing some bag unboxing, and today we are going to do a bag haul from Coach. So our first item is, what is this? Well guys, actually this package just arrived today. This is from my auntie. She's living in the US, so this is our package from her. And yeah, so our first item is, this is the Evergreen, I guess. Guys, this is the Evergreen wallet. So this is the tech wallet, guys. So with floral prints. Look at this design, guys. So you can see the signature canvas here with printed florals. So this is so pretty. Here's the front. You can see the logo at the front here, there, and this is how thick it is. Here's the side, here's the back, and it has a strap. Yep, there. And you can like put your coins here in the zip pocket here. So there, it's color pink actually. Yeah, there. Okay, so this is the zip wallet where you can put your paper bills or your coins. Next, this is the strap, guys. So this is not detachable, guys. This is permanent here, okay, in the zipper. Okay, so let's open here. So this is a clip lock, guys. So when you open here, you can see the compartment for your phone here at the top. So it is very spacious actually. It says on the website that you can put all iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones here. It can fit inside. So when you open this here like that and put your phone inside there. Okay, and also you can see the logo here, there. Okay, so next is, it has a window ID card slot here, so you can put your ID or picture. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots for your ATMs or credit cards. Okay, and it also has a here, a pocket here where you can also put your receipts or paper bills. So the inside, guys, is a smooth leather. So it is really smooth and fine leather, guys. Yeah, and it is worth $278. Yep, but you can get some discounts whenever it's sale. So it's up to you if you want to buy it on full price or wait for the sale. Okay, so yep, this is the Evergreen tech wallet with floral prints. Okay, on to our next item. Our next item is also a wallet, guys. Okay, so let's see, let's open this. Okay, so here is the wallet. So this wallet is the envelope signature leather, okay, wallet. You can see at the front there's the logo, but just a small lettering here, there. So that's the front. Here's the back. So at the back, you can see there's a coin compartment here, zip pocket. Okay, so let's open this. So here, as you can see, it still has their fillings inside. So here's the inside. There. Okay. Now when you're going to open the wallet, you just need to twist this lock, then open it like that. And it has a small pocket here, outside pocket. So here. Okay. And then the main compartment is here. As you can see, it has a chain. Here. It has a chain, guys. Because you can use it as a crossbody bag. Okay, it can also fit your phones, mobile phones, here inside. As you can see, it is very, very spacious inside. There. It's very spacious. And here's the side, so you can see the thickness here. Okay. Inside, guys, it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots. As you can see, it has 8. And then there's another pocket here, inside pocket here, where you can also put your receipts or paper bills. Okay, so this is a very, very nice wallet because you can use this as a wallet. You can just detach the chain. This is detachable. You can detach it, or you can use it as a crossbody bag. So if you're just going out in the evening and just go out with friends and you don't want a big bag with you, you can bring this with you. Just put your cell phone and your cards or money inside. So this is very, very nice. Okay, so again, guys, this is the envelope signature leather wallet. Okay, so last but not the least, guys, we have this cute bag. Okay, oh, we still have the receipt inside. So here, as you can see, it is really from Coach. Okay, so this bag is named Georgie. Okay, this is the Georgie Shoulder Bag. So let's remove this here. Okay. Here is the straps. So it has 2 straps actually, guys. So we will open this. One is for the shoulder bag and the one strap is for the crossbody bag. Okay, so let's remove this first. Okay, so first let's remove all of this. Okay, so this is the Georgie shoulder bag, guys. So again, this is in signature canvas. So you can see at the front the Coach logo, the horse. Yep. And it has a black, cream, and brown tone. So it's very, very neutral. It can fit into any of your outfits whenever you go out. So this color is very nice. So here is the front again. Here's the side. So here's the tag, the Coach tag. And yeah, so I haven't removed this yet, but here is the thickness of the side. The other side, you can see there's still a tag. And the bottom, guys, you can see this is a snake type design leather at the bottom. So classy, so beautiful. So when you open this, just flip it open like that, and you have an outer pocket here, there. So you can fit there some documents, some letters, or any papers that you want, or even your phone. And inside, here's the inside, very, very spacious here inside. You can fit your wallet, your phone, your makeup kit, lipstick, and also it has a inner zip pocket inside where you can put your keys and other important things that you need to secure in the zip pocket. So this is again our Georgie shoulder bag. So I will show you what it looks like when it has a strap on. This shorter strap is for your shoulder bag or handbag. So you will just put it here like that, and the other side, okay, here. So this is what it looks like. Look at it, guys. Very classy. So it's very nice. It's like going out with the girls, night out with the girls, or just go with your lunch meeting. So this is perfect. So again, I will put the longer strap, which is for the crossbody bag. Okay, so this one is for the crossbody bag. This is adjustable depending on what size you want it. So you can adjust it. You can put the straps together, the shoulder bag strap and the crossbody bag, because I saw it on the website that you can put it together so that the strap, the first strap can be a design in front like that, can be a design while you are wearing it in crossbody style. See? So you can use it as a crossbody and still retain the handbag strap. Okay? So here. So here are all our Coach items. So our first item is the tech wallet with floral prints. Okay, this is very nice and pink tones inside. The next one is the classic envelope wallet with strap, with chain strap, so you can use it as a body bag. And this one is the Georgie shoulder bag. So here, guys. So what can you say about my purchase? So do you think these bags and wallets are worth it? What can you say, guys? So just comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button below for more unboxing like this, guys. And also you can recommend or suggest another brand or bag that you want me to unbox. I will be happy to do it. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Bye!